Hello, you guys and girls out there. I've spent hours and hours shoveling the snow, and it just keeps on coming. It's like minus 25 degrees outside. Oh, it's been freezing. Threw a whole bunch into the river, and it's pretty much full over there. Everything was pretty deep. Like frozen. It's a good mound here to make a good snowman. But anyways, yeah, it's been cold. And here they had like a truck came in and scooped everything out, but still terrible. Well, I hope everybody else is doing fine and has a great week. It does look beautiful though. Sorry for the plants, man, it must be frozen. Alright, well, this God is great. I hope you're all doing well, and I'm out.